Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Walmart. We're going to be looking at the tool deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yeah, we got a lot of heart. It's not necessarily clearance deals like we used to see before. It's just mostly sales that they have from this brand. This store is actually kind of empty, to tell you the truth. I've been to other stores that have a lot more tools. You got the toolbox here, as you guys see, and the price was at the beginning. I'll see if I can put the price there. $99 for this 4 tool combo kit there. You got a vacuum, does not have a price. You got the power cleaner there at the bottom. You got $32.47 for this 200 piece. Seems like a household complete kit here for the DIY, for somebody that's gonna hang a picture frame or drill a small hole through their wall or something like that. You got $7.94 for this 10 piece drill bit set, and $9.72 for the 4 piece or 3 piece, and then $9.47 for this 5 piece screw extract. Yeah, this is really nice. If you got that screw that's stuck in there, you need something like this to get it out. It's always nice to have in the little shop or the garage. You got a 40 piece accessory, $11.74. Pretty much an all-inclusive little kit. These are DIY. Just remember, guys, these are DIY kits. If you're a professional, and you're stuck at the middle at the night and you got a 24-hour Walmart, you know, this will get you out, but that's about it. You got the drill driver, impact driver, $94. These are brushed units. You got reciprocating saw, $54. You got a hammer drill for $79. Looks really nice. It's probably brushed. You got an angle grinder, 4.5, $44.88. You got a circular saw, $69. You got a sander for $44.88. Looks like an inflator for $29. The vacuum's $29, as we did see earlier. You got the fan for $29. And a multi-tool, as you guys see there. You got a circular saw, $49. Jigsaw, $19.88. Those are hyper tough stuff. $7.43, a 6 piece. These are really nice. You can put this at the drill, and if you need to clean out something, metal or some rust. $3.83 for the 3-inch wheels. You got a 40 piece there for $13.97. You got all kinds of bits, little case, and then you got some nut socket drivers or socket adapters. $7.97 for this 15 piece with the small case. And guys, if you guys have vacuums like from other brands, I buy my vacuum bags from Walmart. They're just cheaper. You just gotta find out, you know, if they're exactly the same gallons, because sometimes they'll have like different gallons. The bag is different size, so make sure you compare the gallons. The hole might fit a little tight, but it does fit. At least I have a rigid vac. And I use the bags from Walmart because they're cheaper. You can get a 3 or 4 pack for like $7 or something like that. So it just depends on your Walmart or your availability. I didn't even bother to get the price for these because they were just all over and all messed up. But you know what? I was just gonna show you guys this box. This box is really nice. I love the clear case on the top. Has a clear compartment and a handle with rolling wheels. It looks really nice, but I couldn't find the price because it was mixed everywhere, messed up. $9.97 for this safety glasses, $9.88 for this tinted. It says better fit, more airflow. Then you got these gloves. Looks really nice, $14.88. Then you got these impact gloves. A lot of rubber on the knuckles so you don't break them in case you're doing demolition and stuff like that. And I didn't get the price for that. So $49.88 for this pneumatic brad nailer. from Arrow. I guess I never heard about this brand. I guess they just have it at Walmart. You got an 18 gauge 2-inch bad nailer, $28. 16 gauge 2.5 from Hyper Tough, $59. You got an air hose reel there, 68 I believe. Got a air tank there for $49.88. Got some impact sockets, $37.64. These are really nice. However, you want them engraved because with time, the ink will just go away. They'll scrape off. So every time you're buying a socket, make sure it's engraved into the socket. $11.88 for this long nose locking pliers. That's a big section that they have. And then you got the 10-inch jaws. $11.87 for this pliers, a 2-piece with the needle nose. Then you got some adjustables here for $12.88 and $14.88 for the bigger ones. Those are 10 inches and 6. You got a groove joints, $11.84 and $12.88. You got a 4-piece here, a 10-inch groove joints, 8-inch for $24.94. Then you got a multi-tool pocket here, $13.97. It's like a little hammer with the multi-tool thing, which I don't think it's very portable because it's kind of bulky with the hammer. $10.97 for these shears or snips. Aviation Snips. Got a 20-inch handsaw, $11.34. If you're on a budget, you need to cut something. There you go. $10.94 for this 6-piece screwdriver set with a nice bottle opener. And then $8.88 for the 5-piece. It's really nice. I really like the grip handle that these screwdrivers have. $9.88 for a 13-piece bit set with the screwdriver. And then $3.97 for the stubbies. And then $16.88 for the L wrenches with the handle. That's a really nice kit. You guys can put the L wrenches in there and get some leverage. You got a hammer there for $6.88. It's a 16 ounce. I prefer the wood. So that's it for today, guys. Just a short video. Just want to show you guys what's going on at Walmart. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.